Not the great white shark, but a more formidable force, the orca. They rely not only on strength, but on intelligence, coordination, and remarkable adaptability to guide each encounter. For them, hunting is more than survival. It is the art of mastering the sea. They can reach up to 40 miles per hour, with a bite force many times greater than a great white. Orcas understand how to use an opponent's weak points, even stripping away the great white's edge with a simple tactic, flipping the target belly up to trigger tonic immobility. In that moment, the former ruler of these waters loses all advantage. As seas once ruled by great whites become orca territory,